Splash was an average dog. She went
Wolf,
and
wolf, grrr.
then she ate some alphabet soup, and what happened was bizarre.
On the way to Splash's stomach, the letters lost their way. They traveled to her brain and now
She got a lot to say. Now she speaks.
How now, brown cow?
Splash speaks. Yeah, she speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks.
What's a caboose? What are we eating again? Hey, Joe, I don't know.
My name's not Joe.
She's not always right, but still, that Splash speaks.
Hi there.
She's got a voice. She's ready to shout. Splash will tell you what it's all about. Sometimes wrong, but seldom in doubt. Splash will tell you what it's all about. That dog's unique.
Testing. 1, 2.
Hear her speaks. Splash speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks and
Communicate, enumerate, elucidates, exaggerates, indicates, and explicates, bloviates and overstates and yay, hyperventilates.
don't worry, the school's out, and it's here.
Oh boy, my friends want to come and join me.
Splash, to reiterate.
A Lucky Block and Block Party Special. Hey everybody, it's me, Splash. Hey, do you want to come inside to my house? Well, alright, come on in, it's fun inside, we have a fun party to start. Look, there's new friends.
let's throw a fun party to kick things off. To get us to the block party, all we need to do is say the magic words. Just say Splash.
Yeah, we agree. Say, Splash. Say it with me, Splash.
That was such a blast. How about we head over to the Lucky Islands to collect those lucky blocks? To teleport us there, we just need to say the magic words. Let's do it.
Yes, we totally want to get here, but I need to go really bad. I just want to collect those items.
To say the magic words, let's do the same thing as the block party. Say, splash. Say it with me, splash. That was so fun. Let's do the hot dog dance. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Now we got cheers. It's time for cheers. Hot dog, the problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day. What are you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stomp on the floor. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. We're splitting the scene. We're full of beans. So long for now on. Splash speaks, who repeats to you.
Duolingo Chupo.